The sound of hope, it echoes. The sound of hope grows. Timings and tempos, rhythms and repose. It's music, melodies, pitching and perfect keys, unlocking symphonies. The sound of hope. One note, played again and again. An invitation, handwritten, hand-given. It's front foot and driven. Postal workers, saints and servers, messengers, delivering the sound of hope. The sound of hope. It echoes. After Sunday is done, songs of hope sing on over cobbles and cafes, in car parks, in doorways, through castles and archways, the sound of hope. And we know that sound is calling us home. It's not lonely. It's not lost. It's family at a cost of everything we have known. It's ringing. It's singing. Already it's bringing the broken to a home. And it flows like a river, the way, the truth, the life that cannot decay. Even though the clock ticks, we'll keep truth on our lips and we'll savor every note. Because that's the sound of hope.